Good morning, everyone. It's been a while that I haven't taken a vlog. So, this time, it's not about Filipino teacher work-related vlog, but it's about my adventure here in China. Okay, so, it's been a while yun, no, na hindi ako nakapag-upload ng videos, but do not worry kasi nga, this whole month of March, we are just doing examinations in Cambridge. So, hindi na masyadong busy. And so, um, medyo may time na para mag-upload ng vlogs. At para masagot na rin yung mga questions ng ating mga fellow Filipinos who are aspiring to become teachers as well here in China. So, just as what I have said, disclaimer lang, talagang sorry talaga sa mga Tagalog friends natin na hindi halos makaintindi sa mga previous vlogs ko. I will try my best to what do you call this one? To upload another video na Tagalog na, okay? Para naman hindi magkalito-lito. Okay? Kasi bastos ang meaning ng libog. Okay? In Bisaya, when we say libog, yung parang anong tawag doon? Marami kang questions and everything. Pero sa Tagalog, bastos na kasi yun, 'di ba? So, anyway, so why I wanted to post this vlog, it's because I will go to Xi'an. Okay, I will go to Xi'an. And as we know, ang maganda dun sa Xi'an is yung Terracotta Army. Okay, so kasi nga story time muna tayo. Kasi back in 2014, I was teaching in 5-1 Talk. And of course, yung mga students namin that time were professionals. Unlike ngayon, 'di ba? Ang students mostly sa 5-1 Talk are kids. Okay? But before, mga professionals talaga yung mga students namin, like lawyers, doctors, engineers, ganun. So, medyo masarap kausap. And then most of the topics that we talk in 5-1 Talk is mga mga masasarap na pagkain in China, different favorite destinations or bucket lists and holidays. That's why it steered my interest to go here in China, but not as a teacher, but as a tourist. So, yun na nga. Pero, hindi mo talaga malalaman yung plans ni Lord. Pero, ang nangyari is, naging teacher ako sa China. And I get to experience almost of what we have talked about in 5-1 Talk. Like, na-experience ko na ang Mooncake Festival. So, nakakain na tayo ng mooncake, which I have shown you in my previous vlog. And then, naka-experience na rin tayo ng hot pot. Nakapunta tayo ng Great Wall. So, ang saya. So, ngayon, isa sa mga pinag-usapan doon while I was teaching in 5-1 Talk, it's the Terracotta Army. And then I've read so many articles about Terracotta Army na talagang siya, when you get there, kasi nga it was discovered in year 1970s, but it has been there like long time ago. Like siguro mga hundreds of years bago siya na-discover. So that's why it's so mysterious, and ang nakakapag-amazing is that there's no two terracotta armies that are identical. 'Di ba? So, imagine it. 'Di ba? So, ibig sabihin talagang each of the terracotta army statues were crafted uniquely. 'Di ba? So, parang tayo, 'di ba? Walang ni isa sa atin na magkapareho, 'di ba? So, yun na nga. So, that steered my interest of going to Xi'an. And ang twist is that it's all me, myself, and I. 'Di ba? So, kasi nga wala tayong basta-bastang people na maisama because they all have their own plans. And this is also my plan. So, I decided to go by myself. And I want to document everything na experience ko. So, kasi nga, we are on a budget trip. Kasi ayoko din gumastos ng malaki. Okay? And I decided to go there via hard sleeper train. Hard sleeper trains are cheap, okay, and it will save you 1 night of hotel cost, okay. So actually, travel time via fast train is only 4 to 5 hours, but the hard sleeper train will like you will spend the whole night there at the train, and no stop yan siya. And it's like 12 hours. Okay, so my departure later will be tonight at 8 o'clock. And then I'll arrive in Xi'an at 8 o'clock also in the morning. So talagang 12 hours siya. 11 hours and 55 minutes. And hard sleeper yung nabook ko. Kasi nga, merong soft sleeper kasi I'm using trip.com. So meron namang soft sleeper na na choice. Kaso lang puno na. Okay? Kasi nga pag holiday, if you really want to go to different destinations here in China, you really have to book your ticket ahead. Your train tickets ahead of time. Kasi expect na lang na magiging like wherever you go, it's gonna be crowded kasi nga it's holiday. It's not just your school's holiday, but it's nationwide holiday for 5 days. So talagang expected mo na maraming tao. So wherever you go, but because this is like the only time you can spend there longer, yung hindi nagmamadali. So that's why grab mo na lang, 'di ba? But compared to Great Wall, kasi nga nasa Beijing lang din naman kami, so and then you can just go there for a day. So yeah, pumunta kami on a regular weekends sa sa Great Wall. Well, anyway, see you later for my adventure. Tingnan natin kung makakatulog ba ako sa hard sleeper. So, isasama ko kayo sa preparation ko. Okay? There you go. So, bumili ako nito. This is 3-piece set. Actually, gusto ko kasing i-change ang beddings ng train. So, before I go or before I lay down my head to sleep, I want to change the beddings first. So, bumili ako nito. This is only 12 RMB. So, that's like almost 100 pesos. So, disposable din siya. And, sterile na rin. So, I think it's good. And then, I have with me my, anong tawag nito? Travel kit. Okay, kasi nga, we will be on a triple deck. Diba? Imagine that. May pangatlong deck. So, expect na lang na medyo hindi mo solo ang place. Diba? So, ito, nakaset na siya. May earplugs. Just in case na, merong maghagok. Ano bang Tagalog ng hagok? May mag-snore. Ayan, may mag-snore. And then, there you go. Anong tawag nito? Eye mask. And then, of course, your neck pillow. Meron namang ipoprovide, sorry, ano ba yun? Meron namang ipoprovide na pillow. Pero just in case baka makulangan tayo kasi nga expect na lang na talagang low class lang siya na experience. No, but exciting. Talagang nakaka-excite. So, I'm not only paying just because it's cheap and it will save me a one-night hotel cost, but I'm really excited of the experience that I'm going to share in my vlog. Okay, so this is my travel kit and I bought this sa mall and it's 25 RMB. So, that's like less than 200 pesos. May neck pillow na ako, earplugs, and eye mask with lalagyan. Diba? So cute. And then I'm not planning to take much as well. There you go. So, now all my bags are packed. Kanina akong dalaon backpack lang. Kasi kung mag-trolley ko, murag since hard sleeper man siya, so basin mahiwalay sa ako niya upper bunk manggug ko, sumrag upper berth, sumrag mahadlo ko akong bag mahilayo sa kwatches. Ayoko siyang malayo sa akin. Okay, and then I'm also bringing a book because I don't want to, while waiting for the train or while on the subway, I wish not to just keep on looking on my phone. Okay, so ubanin ko sa akong journey. Ayan, palabas na ako ng campus. So, I'll be out now. So, I will ride a bike going to the station or magbaktas na lang ko on the other side. And tipid-tipid. There you go. So this is our school, so quiet because it's holiday, wala estudyante. There. So, padulong na ako sa train station, sa subway. So, sakay ko og line 10, line 4, ug line 9. Pwede po line 4 to line 7, line 10 to line 7. Depende ani Lapan, Japan. Guys, malaw kayo ang subway. May zombie sa ilalong ng tube. Pero ayaw kayo. Sunod naman na nakakita. Looks can be deceiving. I am now transferring to line 7, guys. Line 7. I'm on the right track, baby. I'm so hey, and I arrived. I arrived to the train station. So I'll be in boarding gate 4. Pero I have to eat my dinner first because I'm really hungry. So this is my gate. Waiting room. Finally found my hearty meal. So while waiting, alas 8 pa man. So I'm still here in McDonald's. Okay, so here I am. I think I'll go on this side. This is my train, guys. Carriage number 4. This is not bad actually. Not bad, guys, for a hard sleeper. Diba? So not bad, ilang bad you guys. Not bad actually, it's so nice. Okay guys, muna ko ang tulugan guys for the next 12 hours. This is where I'm gonna stay. This is where I'm gonna sleep. Actually, not bad. It's not bad. I think I can deal with this. Ay, ka-power. So, nasibutangan nag-cellphone guys. Siya sa bitan. Nandito kong bag, nandito kong shoes. Kahit grabe, nag-struggle di kong pasaka. So, ang imuha ani, dapat dili ka magsigig na o para mangihi. So, akong gibuhat ng ihi na lang hudaan. And dapat matulog na ko. Ang ihi na pag ko para squat through. Patulas ko. Struggle kayo mangihi guys. There you go guys. So naman siya makapal comforter. One pillow. So useless ako ang dalang laban lang. Then siya suka. So may tama lang. Nagkasuka USB port. So, iyak ang type C. Like me. Okay. So, door. Good morning. And so, I successfully survived the upper berth or the hard sleeper train. It is so nice. It's really an experience to share. And kana, no? So excited ko guys. So then hopefully ma-document pa na ko ang tanan na mahitabo sa ako ang laag. So this is how it looks like guys. This is the other train and that was our train. And pagawas na Hoshian. And sadly, it's raining outside. And I just don't know how will I go to my hotel. So most likely I will go to my hotel. And then, yeah. Muntaan ako dito how much bili gastuhon in case mag-book og tour. Yeah. Of course, I'm a local here in China. So, I'll go via subway to my hotel. So, line 4. So, exciting, diba? It's really nice. Okay, mapod nilang MRT station, guys. So, muna kong stop kanang after anang pula. Wenjinlu. That's my stop. Yep. Like a pro na kayo kuno, like a local. Of course, dili mawala ang hotel tour. Okay. So, pag sulod nimo, CR dayon ang mubantang. Uy, halaka ang ilang CR. Kaya maramang katong robot-robot. Uy, wait lang. Saan ni? Normal lang siguro nga flash, no? Normal lang nga flash. Kung paano sa ta? Okay. Ang dara ang remote ko. So, robot-robot lagi ni. Dara ang ko ano. And then, so, this is okay, bathrobe guys. Ang bathrobe ko. Kanya na garo. Dali ko maligo. And then, of course, okay. Ano sa man, libre ni. Wala arte. Try lang. And then, we have here the, okay, TV, of course, normal. Lagyan ng TV. Duha ka buk ang bed. Kasi good for 2 siya. The problem is ako lang isa. Okay, so na yung mga mga pati. So, sige lang. Mainom na ko ano yung gabi And this is my view, guys. I am on the 24th floor. Oh, diba? Kadlok ba? I'm on the 24th floor. And so, laban lang. Okay? So, maligo sa ko. I will take a bath so that presko po kumulaag. Paadto og Terracotta Army. Hello guys, so this is really not a good timing to visit Xi'an, but I've got no choice kasi nabook na lahat. Nagpulan. So, okay, alam mo naman ang mga Chinese, always prepared. So, they were selling umbrellas and raincoats, which I did not bring. So, ayan. Napagastos tayo ng 40 RMB. 20 RMB for the umbrella and 20 RMB for the raincoat.
左转，进入秦岭北路。
Ayun. Oh my God, guys, you see that? Yes. Guys, they are in the process of preserving or restoring the armies, the soldiers. So they cannot just match a head to another body. They really have to make sure that it's really a perfect fit. Ooh. Amazing.
Yeah, now this weather, just in Shanxi province.
Wow.
And here, Qing Dynasty that start from Jiangsu province. But I'm sure you've been to the political area.
Yes.
But that's just a part of that.
下楼左转，下楼左转，我们下楼左转。你稍等，稍等，把人马带过去，先拉。
一起跟着开大秦王朝一统天下的开创之举。现在，经常记住大秦不唐的实力，传人千里，去见证大秦王朝的辉煌。这过去长300里，郑国主持创造兴建。建成后灌溉良田1000余里，助秦国经济实力大幅增长，从而奠定了统一六国的基础，至今仍在造福百姓。凭借强大的军事实力，大秦军团10余天横扫六国，使天下风云。随后，秦始皇又下令车同轨、双同门、同列前越。 世界连接各地的长城，艺术和建筑的杰出成就。秦始皇陵是世界上最大的地下皇陵，面积相当于78个故宫。庞大的陵墓历时39年，倾72万军民之力建造而成。依据“视死如是生”的思想，这座陵墓彰显了秦始皇一生的丰功伟绩。皇陵内无数的兵勇守护着秦始皇的棺椁。巧夺天工的技艺，则创造一个上有宝石星空，下有水连江河的地底江山。为防止盗墓者的侵扰，工匠们利用木家机关术设下重重陷阱。数千年来，让无数侵犯者有来无回，以护卫着这座世界上规模最大的帝国，完整的保存至今，未被发掘。秦国分6世之余力，不断发展，兴修水利，发展农耕，工程建设，巩固国防。中华大地上，无数炎黄子孙用辛劳汗水，创造了中国历史上一个又一个伟大的奇迹。华夏文明至此源远流长，5000年泱泱华夏。田野大地阡陌纵横，凝结了劳动人民的智慧和洁净。苍茫草原，万马奔腾，带着56个民族走向自由和未来。百草丰茂，孕育出无数的生命和奇迹。大海辽阔，汹涌澎湃，推动着东方文明走向世界。高山巍峨，雄伟壮丽，承载了亿万年的沧桑和风雨。湖泊江河奔流不息，带来了无限的希望和生机。 声响起。古老的城池印刻着铁马金戈的痕迹。雪山之巅，征服者将插上他的旗帜。江山如画，璀璨的华夏文明穿透历史的漩涡，再一次焕发出辉煌的荣光。
The tea to keep all the tea side warm.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh my god. So much thing to do.
Yeah. Enjoy the tea time. So they really do that. So the relax. Yeah. Not too much. Only about maybe 3 or 5 grams. Yeah. Now, a little bit of water, quickly rinse it. First time we don't drink it. Just we call it, yeah, we have the tea leaves, and then we get more aroma and best flavor. Then we will.
Wow, it's stronger now.
Now we will get a tasting cup here.
Oh my god, it's so much process. But we can do it just put it right when we do it normally, right?
Right. Even for Chinese tea drinker, when they enjoy a cup of tea in office, they are busy. They want a cup of tea.